Step onto the 2010 Toyota Tundra. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are child safety locks, steel wheels, pass-through rear seat, power mirror, passenger vanity mirror, passenger airbag sensor, split bench seat, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.